Hi friends, I am so happy you're here today. It's Helga and honestly we're about to make the cutest thing ever. I've been seeing these viral mini beaded bag keychains all over my feed lately and I just knew we had to make one together. Trust me, it's a super quick project, but the result is literal perfection. It's the perfect little extra touch for your purse, your keys, or even a canvas tote. We're using the raw technique, right angle weave, for this. I definitely recommend using crystal glass rondelle beads to get that high-end sparkle. Mine are 4mm and you'll need about 140 beads total. You'll also need some keychain hardware to finish it off. For the thread, I'm using 0.25mm clear fishing line. You can go with clear or a color that matches your beads. Let's get into it. First, cut about 55 inches of line. Pick up 4 beads. Take your other end and cross it through the last bead. Pull it down so it's centered right in the middle of your line. Now add 2 beads to one side and 1 bead to the other. Take the side with the single bead and cross through the last bead on the opposite side. Pull it nice and tight. Repeat that again. 2 on one side, 1 on the other, and cross through. Do this one more time. To turn and start the next row, string 3 beads onto one side and cross the other end through the last one. That's our first row done. For the second row, add 3 beads to the top line and cross the bottom end through the last bead. Give it a good tug. Now thread your left line through the nearest bead from the row below. Add 2 beads to the right line and cross the other end through the last one. Once that's tight, pass the left end through the next bead in the previous row. Repeat this 2 more times. To move to the next row, add 2 beads to the left line and cross through with the right end. That's 2 rows finished. Flip your work over and start the next row just like the last one. Add 3 beads to the top line, then cross the bottom end through that last bead. Give it a good tug. Now thread your left line down through the closest bead from the row below. Add 2 beads to the right line and cross the other end through the last one. Once that's nice and snug, pass the left tip down into the next bead from the previous row. Go ahead and repeat those steps 2 more times. To transition to the next row, string 2 beads onto the left line and cross the right end through the last bead. Flip Snip your work up again. And just like that, we've already finished 3 rows of the bag's base. We're going to keep adding rows until we have 9 in total. You can check your progress by counting those outer beads along the top edge. Once you have 9 rows, it's time to secure your ends. I like to make a small loop, tie a knot, and hide it inside a bead. I usually double knot it for extra security. Then just snip off the excess. Fold your base in half. Grab a new piece of line, about 26 inches long, and thread it through the 3 bottom beads like this. Add 1 new bead and cross your ends through it. Make sure your lines are even and pull tight. Pass the left end through the nearest bead on the left side and the right end through the right. Add another bead and repeat the process until the sides are joined. Now for the handle. On one side add 2 beads and on the other add 1. Cross through the last bead with the single bead side. Keep adding these crosses until the handle has 8 units total. Thread the ends through the other side of the bag to attach the handle. Fill in any remaining gaps with beads to close up the sides. Make sure you pull everything nice and tight as you go. Secure your line with a few knots. Make it extra sturdy so it stays perfect. Finally, trim the leftover line and add your keychain hardware. And there you go. Our mini beaded bag keychain is ready to slay. It's so cute, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more aesthetic DIYs. Catch you in the next one.